Hola.
Queen Princess.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
But that was maybe
Hello.
15 years ago.
I just found out last night, late last night.
Nice home, Dong. Congrats. Hey.
Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes nag-house tour, binisita nga sila ni na Kuya Kim Atienza at kanyang asawa. Nandito nga rin si Team Yap. Sobrang na-amaze sila sa ganda ng eleganteng bahay ni na Marian at Dingdong.
Hola.
Queen Princess.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
But that was maybe
Hello.
15 years ago.
I just found out last night, late last night.
Nice home, Dong. Congrats. Hey.
Si Zia nakisali sa dinner time ng mga bisita ng kanyang mama at papa. At kahit hindi pa niya ito kilala ay hindi ito nahihiya na makipag-usap. Basta kasama ang kanyang mama Marian ay napakalakas ng loob nito. Napaka-cute and blooming talaga ng mag-ina. Siyempre hindi kumpleto ang house tour pag walang dinner time. Pati ang second floor ay kanilang pinasilip sa mga bisita. Si Marian nga ang nag-tour sa kanila at napakabait nito.
Ribeye with our own cauliflower rice. We placed some rainbow furikake. So it's a Japanese flavoring for all vegetables because it's rainbow.
Furikake.
And then we have shimeji and enoki mushroom and chicken mushroom, small chicken mushroom. And then toasted rosemary. Alright, enjoy.
Thank you.
May sariling chef naman ang bahay ni na Marian at Dingdong. Dahil may bagong bisita nga sila, inexplain pa nga ang mga pagkain na nakahain bago nila kainin. Napaka-warm welcoming naman talaga ng Dantes family. Steak at cauli rice, napaka-healthy ng inihanda para sa kanila.
We just put a bit of cane vinegar and some citrus Kakashi squeeze calamansi with suha pulps, grilled pineapple, mangoes, fresh curry or cucumber. And on the right side, we have Hokkaido scallops, smoked leeks, sweet paprika, Italian parsley, and you'll feel a grain of Italian salt. Just one piece. Alright? Enjoy.
Napaka-detailed ng chef ni na Marian at Dingdong. Kaya naman no stress na sa pagluluto si Marian dahil sa chef na kinuha ni Dingdong sa kanila.